आज हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे गुलमोहर इंग्लिश रीडर के चैप्टर मीटिंग सीजन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे पढ़ने वाले हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, यानिक थ्रू द टेबल क्लॉथ इनटू द फायर बिकॉज आंसर इज ही ऑलवेज डिड दिस व्हेन ही क्लियर द टेबल, क्योंकि वो हमेशा ऐसे ही करती हैं जब टेबल को साफ करना होता है। क्वेश्चन सेकंड, अंकल ब्रूनो वाज एंग्री विथ एमेंडाइन बिकॉज सी ब्लेम यानिक अनफेयरली फॉर हिज रून्ड टेबल क्लॉथ। अंकल ब्रूनो एमेंडाइन पर गुस्सा इसलिए होती हैं क्योंकि वो यानिक पर सारा दोष लगा देती है, जो कि गलत है। क्वेश्चन 3, अकॉर्डिंग टू द अंकल ब्रूनो द अनफॉरगेटेनेबल थिंग दैट हैड हैपन टू यानिक वाज द अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट हैड मेड हिम अ पेंटिंग एज अ एप्रिसिएशन फॉर हिज एफर्ट, कि एक महान आर्टिस्ट ने उसके लिए पेंटिंग बनाई उसके एफर्ट्स के लिए, उसके कामों के लिए। फोर्थ, अंकल ब्रूनो आस्क्ड यानिक टू ऑलवेज लुक ऑन द ब्राइट साइड ऑफ द थिंग्स बिकॉज डूइंग सो विल हेल्प हिम फेस अ बैड सिचुएशन। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, द आर्टिस्ट डिड नॉट गेट एंग्री विथ यानिक फॉर नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम बिकॉज ही was touched by Yannick's innocence and his sincere attempts to set things right. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर पर। हु वॉज गोइंग टू विजिट द इन? वॉज ही समवन इम्पोर्टेंट? हाउ डू यू नो? आंसर इज द फेमस मैन हु वॉज गोइंग टू विजिट द इन वॉज अ ग्रेट पेंटर Cezanne. This is evident from Amandine's reaction when she realized that Yannick had thrown the tablecloth into the fire with Cezanne drawing on it. Question number 2, why did Amandine try to remove the burning tablecloth from the fire? Amandine ने जलते हुए टेबल क्लॉथ को आग से निकालने की कोशिश क्यों करी? Amandine tried to remove the burning tablecloth from the fire because she realized it had drawing by Cezanne on it, which he left as a tip for her father if he liked his meal. मतलब एमेंडाइन ने इसलिए टेबल क्लॉथ को निकालने की कोशिश की जलती आग से क्योंकि उसे ये पता था कि उस पर सेजेन द्वारा एक ड्राइंग की गई होगी जो वो हमेशा करती हैं जब भी उन्हें खाना पसंद आता है। वो एक तरीके की टिप है उनके पिता के लिए। क्वेश्चन 3, डिड एमेंडाइन थिंक हर फादर वुड बी एंग्री विथ हर फॉर बर्नड टेबल क्लॉथ? व्हाट टेल यू दिस? आंसर इज यस, एमेंडाइन थॉट हर फादर वुड बी एंग्री विथ हर फॉर द बर्न टेबल क्लॉथ। दिस इंडिकेट व्हेन शी वाज अफ्रेड ऑफ फादर बीइंग क्रॉस with her and did not want to tell lie whose fault it was. Question number 4, I thought she was going to lie. Who is the speaker talking about? Why did he think that he was going to lie? Answer है, the speaker is talking about Amandine. He thought she was going to lie about whether she had told Yannick about drawing uh, on the tablecloth. Question number 5, I had work out extra what to do, how to do. What was the speaker going to do and why? What does this say about him? The speaker was going to make things right by seeing out Cezanne and asking him to draw another picture for Uncle Bruno. This shows that the speaker is determined and resourceful. Question number 6. Question number 6 का A. How has the image of the painter has been contrast against the Yannick first impression of him? Answer, the initial impression of the painter contrast with his actual appearance. Yannick first see him as an ordinary man without much hair, but up close he realizes the painter is very old but with young, bright and searching eye. Question number B, how does Yannick initial reaction to the old man appearance prepare you for the rest of the event of the story? Yannick's initial reaction to the painter appearance prepare us for the unexpected kindness and understanding he saw towards Yannick later in the story. Question number 7, answer is the speaker saw sailing boat in Brittany. He compared the drawing Cezanne made to what he saw in Brittany. Yes, he might have been surprised that were so similar, as it reflects Cezanne's talent for capturing scene accurately. Answer number 8. The famous man identified as Picasso wishes him his name was Cezanne at the end because it reflects his administration and respect for Cezanne artist talent. This suggests that even someone already famous can have deep admiration for another artist and their work. अब आते हैं appreciating the text पर. There are four main characters in the story. Write single word or short phrases to describe the four characters. Answer is Yannick, Ernest, Curious, Helpful, Agar. इसी तरीके से एमेंडाइन, अंकल ब्रूनो और पिंटर के लिए वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. Question second. Do you think that Meeting Cezanne is a suitable title for the text? Why or why not? Answer is Meeting Cezanne is a suitable title for the text because the story revolves around Yannick's desire to meeting the famous painter Cezanne and the unexpected encounter that follow. The title captures the central event of the story and set the stage for Yannick's journey and the lesson that he learns. Question number 3. The I in the story is dash. Is the story more interesting because it is told from this character point of view? Discuss in class. The answer is yes. The I in the story is Yannick. The story is more interesting because it is told from Yannick's point of view. His perspective allows reader to experience his excitement, confusion and determination firsthand. Additionally, it adds deep to the narrative as reader witness Yannick's growth and understanding through the story. ये वीडियो हमारी यहीं पर कंप्लीट होती है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.